Samsung's next flagship is already creating huge excitement, and the latest leaks suggest one of the biggest camera changes in Galaxy Ultra history. If these reports are accurate, the Galaxy S27 Ultra could look familiar on the outside, but the camera system inside may be completely different. And while some fans are excited, others are already questioning Samsung's decision. For the past few years, the Galaxy Ultra series has been known for offering multiple telephoto cameras, giving users more flexibility when taking zoom shots. Whether it was a close portrait or a distant subject, the dual telephoto setup made the Ultra stand out from many other flagship phones, but that could soon change. According to the latest rumors, Samsung is planning to remove one of those telephoto cameras on the Galaxy S27 Ultra. Instead of using two zoom lenses, the company may switch to a single 50-megapixel telephoto camera with 5 times optical zoom. At first, this might sound like a downgrade. After all, fewer cameras usually make people think they are losing features, but Samsung reportedly has a different plan. Rather than depending on extra hardware, Samsung is expected to rely more on advanced image processing and AI-powered camera technology. The company could use high-resolution sensor cropping to create different zoom levels while trying to maintain image quality. The idea is simple. Instead of switching between two physical telephoto cameras, one powerful sensor combined with smarter software could handle multiple zoom ranges. Whether this approach works better than dedicated camera hardware is the big question. Some users believe software has become so advanced that extra lenses are no longer necessary. Others argue that nothing can truly replace optical zoom from a dedicated camera. The main camera, however, doesn't appear to be changing much. The Galaxy S27 Ultra is still expected to feature Samsung's impressive 200-megapixel primary sensor. That means users can still expect highly detailed photos with excellent dynamic range and strong low-light performance. The upgrades may not stop there. The front camera is also rumored to receive a noticeable improvement. Samsung could replace the current selfie camera with a new 16-megapixel sensor, promising sharper selfies, better video quality, and improved performance during video calls. But the most interesting selfie feature may actually be software. Leaks suggest Samsung is working on an automatic framing system similar to Apple's Center Stage feature. During video calls, the front camera could automatically keep the user centered inside the frame, even when moving around. This could be especially useful for online meetings, virtual classes, or simply chatting with friends and family without constantly adjusting the phone. Alongside the Ultra model, Samsung is also rumored to be expanding its flagship lineup. Reports claim the company is preparing a brand new Galaxy S27 Pro. This model would sit between the standard Galaxy S27 and the Ultra, giving buyers another premium option without jumping all the way to the Ultra's higher price. Although very little is known about the Pro model right now, it is expected to offer flagship-level performance in a slightly more compact design. That could make it attractive for users who want premium features without carrying a massive phone. This move would also allow Samsung to compete more directly in the growing premium smartphone segment, where buyers are looking for powerful devices that are easier to hold and more affordable than top-tier Ultra models. Of course, the biggest debate remains the camera system. Removing a second telephoto camera is a bold decision, especially because zoom photography has become one of the Ultra series' biggest selling points. Some photography enthusiasts worry that software simply cannot replace the flexibility of having two dedicated zoom lenses. On the other hand, if Samsung's new processing technology delivers excellent results, users may never notice the missing hardware. A cleaner camera system, combined with smarter AI and a powerful 50-megapixel telephoto sensor, could actually improve the overall experience. Samsung appears to be focusing on making the camera system simpler while allowing software to do more of the work. It's a strategy many smartphone companies are beginning to explore, but Samsung now seems ready to take one of its biggest steps in that direction. With the Galaxy S27 series launch getting closer, more leaks are expected to reveal whether these rumors are accurate. Until Samsung officially announces the phones, everything should still be treated as speculation. But one thing is becoming clear: the Galaxy S27 Ultra could be one of the most talked about smartphones of the year. What do you think? Is removing one telephoto camera the right move, or should Samsung keep the dual telephoto setup? Share your opinion in the comments below. And if you want the latest Samsung leaks, smartphone news, and upcoming flagship updates, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update.